Alright, this video is to help with homework 9.1, question number 17. This is a review one, not involving patterns at all. It's just one involves actually logarithms. So the trick with this is when you have an exponential form, so where the exponent is a variable like it is here, the goal is to switch it into log form. So if you remember how it works, you have base exponent value, log form goes log, and then the little base number goes down here, and log means find me the exponent, so the exponent goes here, and the value goes there. All right, so in order to be able to solve this, we need to switch it into log form. So basically, I'm just going to write log, and then the little number down here is the base. So the base in our case is 15. The exponent, right, is right there, so that goes over here, 3x minus 4. And then the value is 1080, right? So from here, we know we have to add 4 and divide by 3, but first we got to make this left-hand side into a number. And so there's a couple ways. You can use a calculator for sure would work. There's a special log base 15 button you can use. Otherwise, the way we did it in class, we just did log divided by log. So in this case, we do the log of the top number, which is 1080, and then divide that. Oh, sorry, messed that up. I'll do this one more time. The computer keeps glitching. 1080 divided by log of 15. Okay, and sorry, I didn't cut it off actually too much. It's 2.6. I went around that too. So on this hand side, we get 2.6. Sorry for poor handwriting again. But now we're pretty much done, right? So add 4. Maybe I'll erase this. That is really bad. Even for me, that's bad. So this side is 2.6. Add 4, so 6.6 equals 3x. And divide by 3, and we get 2.2 as our answer for x. All right, hope that helps.